Hey everyone, what's up? We're in Riga, Latvia. It's a hidden gem and we will see what we can find here. Today we're at the Central Market. It's a UNESCO World Heritage. And yeah, let's have a look what we find here. They told us you can eat good fish here, and now we're going to that place where we can get it. No, but I don't know where exactly. I will have a look. Yeah, we found a fish place, but we see we're not hungry at the moment, so now we're going to a cafe. They say it's the best cappuccino in town. I had 2 cappuccinos here in town, one in the hotel, and now this is the second one, and I'm gonna tell you if this is the best one. It is better than the one in the hotel, but we will try more cappuccinos here in Riga. So if you want to try the best one, they say, try Mikla Bakery. So guys, we're in the Powder Tower and it's there is a museum of war inside and it's free entrance. So give it a try, I would say. You can also see people who were in the Ukraine war. So not good, not good. Riga has passed in the war, in the Second World War, and that's why they have the museum here. So if you want to see how unnecessary war is, definitely come here, guys. It's time for Alberta Jela with crazy architecture. We're in the Youth Style Museum. We didn't find it very necessary, that's why we didn't go in. But if you're interested in architecture and arts, then I would recommend this one. Hey, we're in a Uzbek restaurant. I know what you wonder. We're in Latvia and enjoy Uzbek cuisine. What's wrong with us? But we will also try Latvian one, so no worry. Enjoy. Guys, this is the Cathedral of Nativity. Also here in Riga, a very interesting monument. Here we have the House of the Black Hats, also a very famous building in Riga. Guys, this here is the Bremen city musicians. Let me show you like this. But do you know where we are? We are in Riga, still in Riga, and we have the German story here. Interesting, right? I have no clue why they are here. I think there is a German history here in Riga. Some Germans came here during World War II and settled down, and now they are here. Today we also went up on the St. Peter's Cathedral. It's also right here behind me. Let me show you again. Look up. You see here. It was raining today, that's why I couldn't really make a video there. But you see the tower, you can climb on it and have a very nice view on the city. And I will also show you some pictures where we also went. It was raining all the time, so I couldn't really film it. Rosena Iela. This is the most narrow street in Riga, I believe, also in Latvia. But let me check it, guys. Okay, it's the most narrow one, only in Riga. Rosena Iela. In English, Rosena Street. Don't forget to come to the central market and eat fish. Yeah, fish looks very nice, and no end. Looks very nice. We will have a taste, and I will tell you later if it was really good. But it looks really good. Yeah. Yeah, guys. I think the cooked fish is not that necessary. I think they mean by must-try fish. These ones you can directly eat. They are ready to eat. So I would also recommend these ones. If you want to try fish, then come here and get it from here, not from the restaurants. Okay, we're gonna make a live testing, guys. So I'm gonna try this one. This one has cheese in it, but yeah, it tastes good. So as I said, try these ones rather than the cooked ones in the restaurants. Yeah. We're at Origo Mall. There is another one in Riga, 5 kilometers from here. It's the largest one in the Baltic lands. So I think worth a try. I'm not sure if we're gonna try, but so just have it in mind. There is one. It's larger than this, and it's the largest from all the countries around Latvia. The largest mall's name is Acropole Riga, by the way. And now we're at Laga, I think. And we're trying the meduz kuka. Is this something Russian? I don't know. Does it come from Russia? I don't know. But this is something special. And we met the best one here at Laga in the mall Origo. This is the next destination, guys. This tower here. I think it's the highest one and has the highest rooftop. Oh, I see it's a bit too far away, so I'm gonna make a bit zoom in. Oh, that was a wrong zoom in. I have to learn this new thing here.
is the symbol of El Camino de Santiago, or in English, James Ways across the whole world. So, and yeah, there are more than 700 pilgrimage routes under this symbol, and they're all leading to Galicia, Spain, where back in the days used to be at the St. James Shrine. And apparently, Kilbacauses of Lithuania is part of the pilgrimage route connection of St. James. And right now you're on the beginning of the pilgrimage route of St. James. At the end you will find by the monastery, which is 300 meters behind the hill.
Today we booked a tour to the Mountain of Crosses, or Cross Mountain it's called. You will see many crosses right there. We will hear the story of them. Yeah guys, it's called the Hill of the Crosses, by the way. It's in Lithuania, that means you have to cross the border to another state. But it's it takes 1.5 hours from Riga to here. Yeah, and it has a crazy past. Guys, around 200 crosses are here, and 1918, they erected the crosses here as a place for prayer and peace. And today you see around 200,000 crosses. That's crazy. Siema district, guys. Here on Saturdays they have a market where you can try some foods, but we're a bit too late here. This district is famous for its wooden architecture. You will see it later. Maybe you can already see a bit here. Yeah guys, we're taking a tour now. I'm gonna link you the tours we took in the description.
Spectacles, conferences, and festivals. Cinema and fashion-related events are especially favored. By the way, cinema movies are shown in Riga already since 1896.
Alrighty guys, I already told you about the Acropole Mall, the largest one in all the Baltic countries here, and I'm sitting in a cafe at the moment, enjoying a cappuccino, and we'll show you around this mall. It's really large. I saw many brands I didn't know. I think there are special Latvian brands. Maybe you will see some. Okay, enjoy guys. Alrighty, guys, this was, by the way, the best coffee in Riga. For now. There is Zara. best restaurants in Riga is a chain called Lido. It's buffet food. You can choose from buffet, but it's not all you can eat. So you pay for your tablet. Let's have a look what you can find here. They have many desserts as well. As you can see, it's crowded like hell. The reason is it's kind of cheap. You get a beef steak for $6.20, and you get a chicken fillet for $2.30. So we ate for 2 people with rice and also salad and the drink. Oh, sorry. And it just, I think, made around 32 euros. So highly recommended, guys. There are different places in Riga. Don't go to the central ones because they are touristic ones and a bit more expensive then. Hey guys, look what we found. We found some Cedric Grolet fakes. I will let you know if they are tasty or not, but I guess they will be. We're in the hotel now. Our hotel is called Tribe Centra Riga. I can recommend this one. They also have a spa you can use every day with a whirlpool inside. This is the restaurant and bar. Of course, the breakfast is included.